Nature is peaceful. It calms us. The wind in the trees, the sound of water, the quiet woods. These things soothe our souls. For centuries, we have found solace in nature. It is a timeless connection. We need this connection to thrive. Modern life is busy. We spend hours indoors. Screens dominate our time. We feel stressed and disconnected, yet we still long for nature. We crave its peace. We know it is good for us. Technology can help. It can connect us to nature. Apps identify plants and animals. Wearable tech tracks our hikes. Drones show us breathtaking views. We can learn about nature. We can explore new places. Technology can deepen our appreciation. Let's use tech wisely. Let it enhance our experiences. Let it inspire us to protect nature. We can find harmony. The digital world and the natural world can coexist. Let's connect with nature with the help of technology.